Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be trying out Cardi B's hair mask that she used on her hair and her daughter Culture, and I've been seeing it all over the internet on her Instagram and I'm pretty thrilled to try it out. So before I get into it, guys, I'm just going to show a short clip of her video.
Even when you braid it, this is my hair texture. My hair is not curly, so like my daughter's hair is curly. She got like curls or like little coils too, but my shit just don't get curly at all. It's just straight like this. But I still needed moisture, and it's just a good hair mask to help your hair grow. And all the good things that you put in your body, you gotta put it in your hair. You're not gonna put soda in your hair because, of course, soda is not good for your body, so it's definitely not good for your hair. And yep, let's keep on going.
Okay guys, so if you would love to see what's coming up next, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that post notification bell right beside the subscription bar. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients that Cardi B used for her mask is mayonnaise, banana, and in this case I'm using half of a banana, argan oil, some black castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, honey traps moisture into your hair, so it's very good for your hair, like in deep conditioners or stuff like that. Avocado and some good old egg. So without further ado, let's get straight into blending all the ingredients, and I'll drop the exact amount that I used down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So guys, I already have the egg and the banana in the food processor. Now I'm just going to scrape out the avocado with a spoon. Right here I added 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Right here I was adding in the mayonnaise. And like I said, the right amount of ingredients will be in the description box. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Some argan oil. Give it to me like I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Some Jamaican black castor oil, which is a fave for so many people. Now I'm blending all the ingredients together to get the consistency that I like. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Give it to me like I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Now look at this thick, creamy, rich looking hair mask. Now I'm going to apply it to my hair. Now I'll be applying this mask all over my hair until it's finished and everywhere is covered in this mask, and then I'll sit under my dryer. First I went in just, plastering it all over my head, but then afterwards you'll see that I started to do it in sections. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. There are lots of signs in life. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna turn it up and then I'm gonna
can see, I finished applying the mask to my hair, and of course I'm loving it. My final thoughts on this is that it's a bomb combination. All the ingredients are amazing for our hair, and like it makes my hair feel super soft. And I realized that after I washed it out, the elasticity was amazing. I kid you not. The only thing though, it's like in the past, like I've used so many of these ingredients, but like in, with different ingredients. So, just the thought of combining all these amazing ingredients and, working with it was just amazing.
So guys, it's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, leave your comments, and until my next video, one love.